Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log out get.io account. So if you also want to log out get.io account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open get.io application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once the application has been opened, you can see over here you'll be led to the home interface. So logging out of your account is actually very simple. All you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top you'll be able to see your profile over here. Also you'll be able to find several other options. So in order to log out of your account, simply tap on your profile that you can see at the top. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the user center interface. You'll be able to find several options like personal pays, KYC, VIP privilege, referral, etc. At bottom you'll be able to find the option for logout. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to log out of the current account? Simply tap on the logout option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. So that is how you log out get.io account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.